above the air on a tatty ridge. Oh, it's very worn down. Isn't it worn down? Look at that. It's beautiful. About coming to a ridge. Oh, it's blurry. Oh, look, you got the Grome on that side. This ain't Gromont Station. That's Gromont Station down there. We're going there. It's a mile away. Anyway, I'm not should sold away from Pickering to Whitby. 2 hours. Not one. It's like a limit. It's not a night. Oh, this is dark. It looks very dark on this, but it's actually not that dark. I can see all the way to the end. I can see the ground. You can't. You can't see my hand. It looks pitch black. So yeah, just zoom in to the end down there. 15 trains going. Might be able to see that soon. Right, we're at the end of the tunnel now. You can just enter it freely. Not down there. Oh, model railway. I'm about to go see. So you're able to come up here. We're actually inside of a train track. Oh, I'll go on a little bit.
Just follow the cows.
Yeah, it's train. Well, it looks dark in here. Look, I've got some. Worst tank engine, in my opinion. That's what you can see in here. That's a lot. Wait, you can put your hands in.
That was Thomas, wasn't it?
Mate, it's hard for a train.
Thomas went that way.
That not. I know. I don't care. I'm not a Thomas fan, you know. I hate it. To be honest. But yeah, as you can see the tunnel. Oh yeah, you can't see the tunnel. There's some good. Grass rubbing. It looks very dark in here for some reason. Let's turn on my torch, it looks brighter. Oh, light's being used by another app, probably. Yeah, now it's lighter. You can see there's quite a lot of trains. Oh. One train is about to. There's 2 trains going right now, they're attached. We're going to the other part of the shed.
Wait. So we've been in the shed now.
There's a different part of the shed I'm going to go into though. Well, there is a part you can go into down there. So we've seen the model railway. Well, I'm sure that was the model railway. If it wasn't down there, it's obviously down here. Look, it says deep water sign. That's dangerous. It's not been raining, but look at this, it's all wet. But and it's been misty. Isn't that the reason why it's soaked? Bro, all you can see is me. I want you to see the train that I run sad. Pitchford Hall. Pitchford Hall. I mean, Admitons. That's about to go and stuff. I know, I'm not fine. Apple and Newton, there were those. Don't know if that's a new.
How many engines do you actually have here?
Someone just asked the exact same question, about 12.
About 12.
We've got visiting engineers.
Yeah, I thought we recognised that one.
Yeah.
You need plenty of trains for that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Going out.
Check.
Still there, just above that line.
Yeah. That's the one that we came on.
Yeah, I know.
That's the one that we arrived on.
I
Going
know.
back to Pickering. Huh?
Diner.
Yeah.
That's the Dynam one.
Oh no, it's not the one we came on.
It will have been. Have you just come in?
Yeah, it was 3 carriage one night.
Yeah, with that loco, you just swapped over to dining to it.
Yeah. I'm just going to get the next one down to Peak.
Alright, what's
And
that
if we
one?
miss the train, then we have to go
about
back to Pickering.
45 minutes. 35 minutes.
Yeah.
When it's 3 hours in Whitby before the train comes back.
If we miss our train, then we can get some ice cream from Newton Liddale Ice cream parlour.
Right, we're going to go back to see Grandma then.
Now I want to go to the aviation shed.
I don't know if it's open or not.
No, it won't be open. You can't go in there yet. You can't go in there anyway. You've got to be a certain age.
Come on, I'm only not even a year
Yeah,
left.
I know, but you've got to be 10.
I'm not in there.
Have a look on one.
Pretty good.
You want to have a look on one?
Yeah.
Right?
Come in here. Yeah.
I'm just going to climb up. I'm good at climbing.
Be careful of just have to keep your eye out for everything. You want to have a look on this one?
Now,
You want to have a look on that one or that one? Which one do you want?
This one.
That one. Hang on, we'll put these steps here out.
I'm not have to climb in it.
Turn it round.
Well, you can do if you want. It's wrong for what I want.
Alright, we can spin it round again.
She's 121 years old. She's 121 years old. She was born in 1904. And the brother which is in the top then was
Same as
1909.
this, same as this team here.
There you go.
Right.
Be careful going up, please.
Oh, you're alright.
Oh, shaky. Oh, that's scary.
You're not going to go anywhere.
It's not going anywhere.
That's scary.
Big step, that's it.
Yeah. Oh. I don't think I've There's another one.
Monday.
It's hot in here.
Here Wednesday.
This is warm. All the cola. Oh.
Well, I've got him. I've got him, but I ain't got him. On that West Country on Thursday.
I'll bring it West Country down.
Well, put your phone down.
Why am I
Lighting it up, but I can't go out. Can I?
Yeah, well, I'm trying to take a picture of you.
Can you take a photo
No,
then?
cleaners are allowed on visiting Indians.
Must be hard work though, you know, shoveling all the coal into there all the time.
It depends. It depends when it needs it, really.
You gave up here and says, "Go, it's all up here."
Well, you can still feel the heat from it, can't you?
Yeah.
When was this last time you seen? Yesterday. Oh, well, yesterday.
No problem.
Even though it's cold,
Yeah.
now in it, you can still feel the heat.
Right. So you're probably done
Run like any others.
Yeah.
This is right hand drive rather than left hand drive.
Is that why you got driving through there?
Yeah.
This is a
Well, they've got
right
the seat
drop.
there, really.
Be careful.
Just be careful getting down, Dwayne.
Yeah, there's a big drop.
Is your hand?
No, I'm right on it.
Okay.
Getting down backwards.
Yeah.
I'll hold it so it doesn't shake.
Oh, scary in this shit.
Right, just on this. Let's expect you to sort of the train that they've just been on.
When did you
Take a picture with the Perry.
Well, I heard it was supposed to be the other day. You Omaha.
You know what?
Right. Put your phone down.
Wait. You ready?
Gonna leave it a little bit tight if there's something wrong with it.
Yeah.
I know they were using it at 20s last week.
Thanks very much.
No bother.
There was that and Mansfield on it last week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I because it was West Country Gala, wasn't it? Whatever it was.
Yeah.
All right, that.
Thank you very much. No problem.
Oh, that's loud.
Thank you very much.
Oh, this is bright on my phone. Look at this. It's recording. Probably because it's been dark. Yeah. And I'm trying to show it to them. Oh my god, everything's white. Or in the vibrant colours thingy on YouTube. So deviation check. Oh. Sorry about how bright it is. Oh my god. It's probably because of all this mist. And yeah, whatever. Yeah. Just try cleaning them off. Okay, that's just not me. Better. Look at my hand. Oh, you can't even see. My hand is covered in dust. I mean, dirt. Oh, look at all of that coal. Yeah. So we can't enter down there. You can see the train. But can't on here. Deviation check. I can. How many will you stop the recording right now?